Hello and welcome back to the channel. Now, those of you following this channel will no doubt be aware that we have been tracking the storyline between Yaya Bello, the governor of Kogi State, and Dino Melaye, our own affable senator, the comedian senator from Kogi West. So we've been tracking this storyline, and we've been enjoying Dino Melaye's video outputs making fun of Yaya Bello. Now, tired of being made fun of, Yaya Bello has now decided that he's going to end this once and for all. So now he has now decided that, okay, this Dino Melaye guy that is always making fun of him is fed up of it, but because Yaya Bello does not consider himself to be a comedian or a clown, he has now devised in his own mind the best way to deal with Dino Melaye. So the way that Yaya Bello is now intending to deal with Dino Melaye is just to beat him up. So he's now going to administer a beating on Dino Melaye. So to that end, Yaya Bello has now taken to boxing because he is now determined to end this Dino Melaye nonsense once and for all. So in this video clip that you're about to see, you will see Governor Yaya Bello practicing boxing in his build-up to now administering a beating on this Dino Melaye. And all of us, even as much as we love Dino Melaye, would all agree that he does need a real beating. So now that beating is now going to be administered, and is going to be administered by no less of a person than the governor of his own state. And this now you see and watch Governor Yaya Bello in practice getting himself ready to give that Dino Melaye of a boy the beating that he deserves. So watch this. So there you saw Governor Yaya Bello in practice preparing himself for Dino Melaye. So trending video of Kogi State Governor Yaya Bello practicing boxing. The video making the rounds on social media shows Kogi State Governor Yaya Bello practicing boxing. Some Nigerians say Dino Melaye should run for his life. Laugh out loud. So that's the feedback from the video. So let's just see the feedback from the comment section. Juliet says, keeping fit. Dapo Higg says, youngest governor in Nigeria and invariably the most useless governor too. Absolutely nothing is working in Kogi State. Youths are the leaders of tomorrow, but trust me, the youths seem to be even worse. The youths really need to change their mindset and be principled, else Nigeria is going nowhere. And then he puts a hiss to round that off. So that guy, a plague on all their houses, he's saying. And then K Baba practicing to fight Dino. That is what we all think. And then Akuma, Dino will beat this one hands down. So he is clearly backing Dino, as I am as well. I'm more Dino Melaye than Yaya Bello, who is just a fool. Obina training boxing to fight Saraki. So he's now throwing Saraki's name into the ring, but although he spelled it Sarki, S-A-R-K-I, but I'm assuming he meant Saraki. And then Emmanuel, nothing is trending about this rubbish video. Let him reduce the size of his big mouth. So that one, a plague on all their houses too. That's what Emmanuel is saying. Anonymous, boxing is a great form of exercise, so he's a fitness guy. Chukuma, now Atiku you won't box, so he's now also adding Atiku's name to the mix. Just my thoughts. Social media madness. Must we always showcase everything, as in everything, to the world? Well, this is clearly what showcasing. A governor practicing boxing to beat up his opponent, we're assuming. OJ, Omo, see jobless governor. He should forget about second term and just take boxing as a professional career. So that one is now defining a career path for him. Anonymous, Agbero governor, that's the last level Nigeria has sunk to with the myriad of problems in Kogi State. Why not show pictures of him solving problems with 21st century tools? Yeah, people. So that's what he has to say. T billion. This one says it in Yoruba, so I'm not even going to attempt that. Envision Omo, you won't kill me with your comment. Oh, that's now a response to that Yoruba thing. Let me attempt the Yoruba actually. Kí ló tún kù tí ò jẹ, àjẹkùn ìyà ni ó jẹ ẹni tí ò tó ni, tó ń dènà dé ni, àjẹkùn ìyà ni ó jẹ. So that one is now reverting to Dino Melaye's original song about Yaya Bello, Envision. Omo, you won't kill me with this your comment. It still remain one track wey no add. Do you know Yaya Bello máa ṣẹ̀wọ̀n lẹ́yìn ìjọba? I know Yaya Bello. So it's now comedy hour now with Yaya Bello. Moses Ogadino, watch out. Don't you think it's time to withdraw the letter you gave the CBN governor loan on matter? And on it goes. So a fun little video, Governor Yaya Bello practicing to administer a beating on Dino Melaye, and we all know that Dino Melaye is deserving of a koboko, you know. So there you have it, a fun little story. What do you make of it? It's just really for laughs, really, so nothing to be taken too seriously. Comments in the comment section. Let's all have a laugh about this. But before you come join me in the comment section, click on the red subscribe button so it goes gray. Click on the bell button as well, just so you are aware every time I drop a video. Then haven't done that, come join me in the comment section. Let's all have a giggle about this. So I'll leave you here, meet you in the comment section, but here I say peace.